In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run a supplier report in QuickBooks Online. This report gives you a clear view of how much you're spending with each supplier, which is great for budgeting, reviewing vendor relationships, and making sure your records match invoices and payments. Once you're in QuickBooks Online, start by heading to Reports and Analytics. You'll find this in the main navigation. Think of this area as your central hub for all financial insights. From here, open the Standard Reports section. This tab lists the built-in reports that come with QuickBooks, so you don't need to create anything from scratch. Next, locate the Supplier report. You can scroll through the list or save time by using the search bar at the top of the page. Depending on your QuickBooks setup, it may appear under a slightly different name, such as Expenses by Supplier. If you see either option, you're in the right place. Click the report to open it. Before you review the numbers, it's a good idea to tailor the report to what you need. Click Customize. This is where you can dial in the exact view you want. Set your date range to focus on a specific period, like this month, last quarter, or a custom range that matches your reporting cycle. If you're looking at spend for a particular vendor, apply the supplier filter to narrow the list. You can also adjust other criteria to refine the results further. For example, you might choose to show or hide certain columns, switch between cash and accrual basis if your accounting method requires it, or filter by transaction type to focus on bills, expenses, or payments. Take a moment to double-check the selections so the report reflects exactly what you want to see. When your filters are set, click Run Report. QuickBooks will refresh the page and display the updated totals and details by supplier. If you don't see what you expect, try widening the date range or removing a filter to make sure nothing is accidentally excluded. Review the totals for each supplier and scan the transaction details to confirm everything looks accurate. This view makes it simple to spot trends, identify your top vendors, and verify that amounts match your records. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can generate a clear, customized view of your supplier activity and spending. That's how to run a supplier report in QuickBooks Online.